Alright, we're gonna hurry because A, it's cold as heck outside right now. For me, anyways. 50, it's in the 50s. And it's literally getting ready to rain, so I want to try something real quick. I also got my Crocs on. I just realized that. Don't worry, they're not normal Crocs, they're Adidas Crocs, so they're cool, right? I guess. I read a couple of things online about the Revv 1. Apparently, if you push and hold the minus button, it puts you in boost mode, and that's what that little exclamation point is. I wanted to take this out real quick before it started raining. It is really cold out right now, especially riding this thing. Okay, we're gonna go, we got a full charge this time on our second ride. It's definitely gonna rain anytime now, so I wanna see if I can do this quickly. Let's go this way. Let's put on boost mode. See what happens. I feel a little bit more power. This right here is pretty flat. Oh boy. Oh, you can definitely feel the power. And this thing handles really good in turns too, with these street tires. Yeah, this has much more of appeal of riding a motorcycle than any other bike that I've ridden so far. The handlebar stance is perfect for me. Seat's comfortable. This is stock. Like, this is what you get when you buy this bike. If you get the full suspension one, you're going to be happy with that rear suspension. Save the money, buy the better bike. But if you really can't afford it, and you want this bike, because both of them look awesome, go with the hardtail. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. The fat tires do absorb quite a bit of bumps. But having that rear suspension, man, you can really tell. Now we're going to turn around because there's some cars coming. But I can go the speed limit here. For the most part. And we got an Amazon van. Oh, yeah. Woo! Definitely a whole lot more power with boost mode on. I've already dropped one battery bar though. We should do a range test of how much range you get on boost mode. Has anybody done that yet? I don't know, probably, but woo! It's cold. I saw 37 there. This is a downhill. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, we were getting it, man. You can definitely feel that it's continuing to pull power much more than the stock form. Brakes work excellent. Make very minimal noise. Gotta remember I have turn signals so I can actually use those. Front and rear with an indicator on the display. All these people are probably like, this guy is crazy out here in this cold. So this is the Ride1. Beautiful looking bike. Amazing power for a single hub motor. It has a thing called boost mode, which we just tested. After you unlock the bike and put it in off-road mode, you push and hold the minus sign to hit boost mode, and that gets you up to a top speed of 35 miles an hour on flat ground. And I got it up to 37. Now I'm 230 pounds at 6'2", and at that weight, of course, I'm not going to get as fast as somebody lighter. I'm going to put my kid on here. He's less than 120, more like 110 maybe, 5'7". He should be able to get it going pretty quickly. But man, the ride's incredible. It's an awesome machine. We'll talk more about this bike in the final review. This is just the boost mode testing that I wanted to do. I didn't go down a super flat road, so we might do more boost mode testing. I also want to do a boost mode range test. I think that's good to know how much you can run with boost mode. We'll test that and put that in a future video. But man, what an awesome machine. Super, super cool. I really enjoyed riding it, and stay tuned for more. We're definitely going to be doing a lot of videos about this. The final review will be coming soon. I will be doing an accessories video and more to come about the Ride1Up Revv 1 full suspension.